Yo, what is up guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this quick and short video I'm going to be telling you what Spotify presale codes are and how you can get them. Now, a Spotify presale code is a perk which is enabled for people that listen to an artist frequently, and these perks include access to their concert tickets before the general public or everything like that. So if you have one of your favorite artists and you're listening to them constantly, you might get offered a presale code, which is a string of characters and some letters in that, which will allow you to get concert tickets before the general public is able to get them. Now, this is a perk. You don't need Spotify Premium for this. So to enable this, what you want to do, and these presale codes will be sent out via email. So what you want to do is open up the Spotify app and then tap the settings gear cog at the top right hand corner. Once you're on the settings page, just scroll all the way to the bottom till you get the notifications option, which is right here under notifications. So tap on that, and then you need to enable two different notifications. So the first one is that you want to enable artist updates. So I'll tap on that, and then I'll just select email, or you can get a push notification to get the presale code even quicker. So you can go back once you've turned artist updates on, and what you want to do now is you also want to turn on this option here, which is Spotify news and offers. So for me, that's also off, and I'll just select email. Now I'm pretty much set to go when it comes to presale codes. Now all I need to do is listen to my favorite artist frequently, and if Spotify thinks I'm a fan of that specific artist, they might send me a presale code in my email, or depending how you set it up. So that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.